If you're watching this right now, that means one thing: you're on a mission to accelerate fat loss and get rid of your boring diet. You've been there and done that. You've tried other diets in the past and have come to see less than stellar results, likely despite some of your best efforts. Now you're looking for something else, something new, something fresh, and something that will actually work for a change. The good news is that by reading this report, you're going to arm yourself with some of the most useful information you could have as far as fat loss goes. You see, whether or not you are successful with the mission of losing body fat will come down to about 80% of your dietary effort. You can work out for hours as hard as you like in the gym, which isn't recommended by the way. You should be training smarter, not harder, but despite all this effort, if you haven't dialed in your diet and found a proper nutrition setup that fosters fat burning in the body, you're never going to see the results that you're looking for. Why? Let's give you a quick example. As the calorie stats rank up, if you were to go into the gym and work out for 45 minutes doing the following activities, this is how many calories you would burn: weightlifting, 321 calories; jogging, 458 calories; cycling, 375 calories; using the elliptical, 420 calories; circuit training, 429 calories; yoga, 235 calories. You can see there is some variety there. Now, let's look at the calories contained in some of your favorite foods. Pizza, 250 to 400 calories. Slice 1 cup. Ice cream, 250 to 500 calories, depending on variety. Bagel with peanut butter and jelly, 400 calories. Plate of spaghetti, 627 calories. Slice of cheesecake, 300 to 800, depending on variety and size. Chocolate chip cookie, 100 to 250. See how quickly those calories add up. This is precisely why you must make sure you're eating correctly. As far as weight loss is concerned, it very much is a process of maintaining the correct energy balance, and if you're consuming too much junk food, then it's going to be very difficult to do this despite hard workouts. You can quickly take in the calories that you burned off in any given workout session, if not more, in just 2 to 3 minutes of high-calorie eating. If you want success, diet needs to be a priority. Now, the big problem with many people is they will start up on a diet and see great results initially, but after a few weeks have passed by, things take a turn for the worse. Either they maintain the diet but it just doesn't produce the same rate of weight loss that it did before because their metabolism has crashed and you're burning off calories at a snail's pace, or they fall off the diet due to boredom. Let's face it, most diets are boring. They have you eating the same 5 to 6 foods over and over and over again, never offering any variety. Basically, you have to go about the diet in one particular way or you might as well forget it. Then, who can really blame you for cheating on a diet such as that with a slice of pizza or burger from your favorite fast food joint? You're sick and tired of chicken breasts and broccoli, and any sane human would need a change of pace. We all crave variety in our lives, and our diet is no different. Force yourself to eat the same meals over and over again and you're going to run into problems. There's really no way around that. It really isn't your fault that you've failed on diet attempts such as this. And most diets use the same food and more often the wrong food to burn fat. And most diets use the same food and more often the wrong food to burn fat. That's right, most diets don't consider using the right food. How can it be? Well, it's very simple. They just use ingredients that don't boost metabolism, don't have any metabolic thermocharge, don't fight the metabolic adaptation phenomenon.